Yeah. Hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your new episode on my humble and noble YouTube channel. Here's Rundle Technology Company, so you can subscribe for more. If only you want to make money online, make money using arbitrage a lot. Yeah. So today I want to show you how you can earn free 90 USDT, and I'll show you proof about it. Yeah. How you can earn free 90 USDT with this investment app. Yeah. To get a capital to start your arbitrage. Yeah. So this how you do it. I will leave the link of this app in my description. So you download the app with my link, you will get free 90 USDT. But if you download that link without my without if you download the app without my link, you will not get the free 90 USDT. I hope you understand it. So don't come and say that, oh bro, I didn't get the 90 USDT. That's why I said that if you download it through my link, the link in my description, yeah, you get the free 90 USDT. So let me open the app and let's see. So log in. So when I open the app, this is how the app looks like. Yeah, this is how the apps look like. Yeah. So first of all, if you download this app with the link in my description, you will get free 90 USDT. So when I come to the invest, are we saying that you have price 90 USDT? So that means that if you download it through my link, automatically you will get free 90 USDT. So this how this thing works. Yeah, this thing is an investment app. So if you invest in this pets, so if you invest in pets one, that means every day you will receive 1.50 USDT. So right now I have 5.70, and I've withdrawn 2.50 USDT. Yeah, I've withdrawn 2.50. I was like, nah, this thing can be like true. So let me try and withdraw and see. And I withdraw it, and it came, and I was like, yo, this shit's really working. It's the right thing. So if you invest in the price, then you leave the thing every day, you will get 1.5 every day, 1.5 every day, 1.5. So every day you'll be getting, let's say 17 cedis a day. 17 cedis a day. Yeah. So if you go to the invest, and you see that we have pet 1, pet 2, pet 3, pet 4, pet 5. So pet 10, if you invest in pet 10, that means every day you are earning 5,540. But let me show you. And okay, and pet 9 too, if you invest in pet 9 too, daily you earn 2,500 a day. Pet 8, a day you receive 1,097 USDT. Part 7. Part 7, you will receive 397 USDT. Part 8. Part 6, you will receive 215 USDT. Part 5, you will receive 102 USDT. Part 4, you will receive 43.00. So it goes. So let me show you how the investments look like. So when I go to the front page, I'll be saying this thing. So investment. So the pet one, you have to invest 10 USDT in pet one. So if you invest 10 USDT in pet one, you will earn 1.5 USDT daily. Every day you will earn 1.5 USDT. And if you invest in pet two, that means you before you invest in pet two, you have to spend 50 USDT in pet two, and a day you will receive 7.5. So So let's see how much you'll be earning within a month. 7.5 times 30, or let's say 31. That's 232.5 USDT. That means you are earning more than the money you invested. Have you seen? Yeah. And pet 3, you spend 117 USDT, and daily you'll be earning 18 USDT. So 18 USDT, 18 USDT times 31, you are earning 558 USDT a month. And this thing, I've tried to withdraw it, and it was genuine. Me, I'll always teach genuine thing. If it's not genuine, I will never and ever come here and teach you. But one thing about this new app is like, when it comes new, you have to make good use of it before it's too late. So right now, within a month, make good use of it and withdraw your money. And you can withdraw it daily. It's that thing. You can withdraw your money daily. And this, okay, let me teach you this finish. Then I'll show you how you can link it to your wallet. Yeah. So pet 3, the pet 3, you invest 117 and you earn 18 USDT daily. Pet 4 2, you invest 280 USDT and you earn 43 USDT daily. So let's go to the last one. The last one is pet 10. You will invest 27,700 and earn 5,540 USDT daily. So let me see something. 5,000, 5,000, 500, 5,540 times 31. A month you are earning 171, 171,740. 171,740. Let's say a year, 360 days. You are earning. You are a millionaire. You are a millionaire within a year. We are a millionaire. But that's why I always say this, that these new apps, when it comes, make good use of it. So if for trust issues you don't believe them, a day when you earn the money, a day you can withdraw it. 2 days can withdraw it any day, and there's no limit. You can withdraw daily. So this is how you do it. You go to mine. The mine, everything, the investment income. I've earned 7.50 in it, and I invested only 10 USDT. And I've withdraw 250. I wanted to see whether it was true, and it came through my wallet. It was true. So you go to electronic wallet, and you add your wallet. And one thing about this is, if you add the wallet, you can't edit it. So make sure that you're adding your genuine wallet. You're adding your wallet, the correct wallet. Yeah, because you can't edit it. So the withdraw amount, you come here, you enter the amount you want to withdraw, let's say 5.50. Then you enter your password. This is my password. Use. You enter withdraw. If you want to withdraw now, you withdraw the money into the electronic wallet. You see that thing? You withdraw the money into the electronic wallet. But I don't want to withdraw the money right now. I want it to the month to end, then I'll withdraw it. Month to end, then I'll withdraw it. Then I'll invest again. You see that thing? Yeah. So this is how it is. And if you invest in USDT and a day you're earning 1.5, a day you're earning 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 times 360, a year you are earning 540, and a month you are earning 46.5. So I think this one can get you enough USDT to start your arbitrage this thing. Yeah, because, and one thing, yo, bro, says it's true. Me, I've tried it and I think that it's true. If you draw it, the money will be in your account straight up. And when you are withdrawing from here, they will not charge you anything. They will not charge you anything. So you just make good use of it. And if you want to deposit money inside it, this is how you do it. You copy your TRC over here, then you go to the accounts you want to withdraw the money straight from it, and you deposit the money here. You see that? Then it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. It's very simple. So I think this one, and this is my team members. So right now I have 16 members, and the draw amount they have to draw three times, three times, and the total asset, the money we'll be earning a month is 450, 450 USDT. That's the total amount we earn, because like they are also investing a lot of money inside it. Yeah. So I have six team members over here. Yeah. So you can click on the link in my description and join this thing. And sure, it's very lucrative. And though it's a new app, so I can't say that I trust them 100%. But when they come new like this, you have to make good use of them. That's what I always tell you people. You have to make good use of them. Yeah. So investing 10 USDT in a month, you cash out. That means the following month, if they close the app, you have to make your money. And this app, if you be money greedy, you will not, like they'll run out, they will close the app and you'll lose. So when you withdraw your, let's say a month, your month money, when you withdraw it, don't invest a lot of money in it again. So that then, don't invest a lot of money in this again. So when you withdraw it, Charlie, be cool and what, and enjoy the money you have withdrawn. That's it. That's how it is. Don't be money greedy. If you be money greedy, that oh, this month I earned this thing, so let me invest a lot, bro. Yeah, I'm telling the truth. Yeah. So this is how it is. And customer service. If you can't, if you don't understand anything, you go to Telegram, click on it. You chat with them and they will assist you. Yeah. So it's very, very easy for you to invest in this app. It's very, very easy. You just start with 10 USDT and earn daily with 1.5 NC. You see that thing? So it's cool. It's very, very cool. It's very, very cool. It's very cool. And I mean, I've draw and I've seen that it's cool. So you can also try it and know and see that what I'm talking about is true. So I think I'm done for today. And if you download the link in my description, you'll get a free 90 USDT, so that you add 10 USDT in it and you'll get 100 USDT to start your first pets, to start investing in the first pet, because the first pet costs you 100 USDT. So when you click on my link to download the app, you get a free 90 USDT. Then you invest 10 USDT in it to make it 100 USDT and start investing in your pets. I think I'm done and I'm out.